Welcome to our quick daily at-home workout. We are going to focus on the 1-minute rule for an incredible workout. It's going to build strength, endurance, flexibility, and so much more. Let's get started right now. Step jack. Step jack for 1 minute. We've got 10 exercises, 1 minute each today. And we are going to lock in the 1-minute rule so that we can break free of procrastination, build momentum, consistency, and discipline, just like we've been doing with this 28-day fitness challenge. Reach it out as far as you can. We want to build some flexibility as we get our heart rate up, increase the temperature of our bodies. The 1-minute rule truly can transform your life. Become the kind of person who just takes action. Everything you start to see, oh yeah, I can get that done. Oh, yep, oh, need to put my shoes away. Boom, I can do that in a minute or less, done. Need to hang out my jacket. Oh, no problem, I can do that in a minute or less, done. Okay, the chair's here. Use it if you need to, because this can look like, if you're just getting started, you want to do some squats. I often think, just sitting at the kitchen counter, I could do this in the morning because of one exercise for 1 minute. I can do an exercise for a minute. Boom, done. I'm here. So modify always as what's best for you. But start to think in just small little movement snacks, if you will. Oh, hey, I can do a minute of movement here. Hey, there's a park bench. I could do a couple push-ups on there. I could hold on to the side and do some squats. I'm at my desk. I could do a few squats. 1 minute doesn't seem like a lot of movement. They start to compound over time. You just start to be the kind of person who thinks, hey, where can I find some movement in my day? Let's get the arms nice and warm. 1 minute. Ooh. How quickly the endorphins start to flow, the feel-good chemicals. Yeah, nature's painkiller kicks in. So this will be a 10-minute workout, which is amazing. You can do more, you can do less, but just start to get the thought of what can I get done in a minute? And really embody that rule. Everything you do, and you will unlock something inside you. If you're somebody who feels like, I procrastinate, I can be lazy sometimes. We all can, it's human nature. One simple rule can really start to transform that. Let's just go for a little run. 1 minute. Really get a nice arm swing. Building strength. Our upper body, just by, we get a nice arm swing. Remember to breathe, remember to smile. These short workouts, they really are just to build the momentum, carry us through the day. We see a flight of stairs, hey, I can take those stairs, I can take a minute or less, done. I can carry my groceries home, no problem. We start to change the way we look at things, and the things we look at change. Park bench, there's an opportunity for some fitness to move my body. Shake it out. Heel kick. Get a nice flow going here. Just do your best. If I was here with my chair, I could use it to balance me if I needed to. Whew. If you go slower, you really do build balance. So as you modify each exercise, it starts to target different aspects of our overall fitness and well-being. You can go slow, hold it, build some balance. I can go quick, build up my cardiovascular endurance. There's so many opportunities in just small moments of movement. Oh, watch our clock. Get forgetful here. Okay, shake that out. This is great to build balance, but if you want to use, so I'm just going a little leg extension, building balance and strength, increasing my range of mobility, range of motion and my mobility. Hopefully I'll be able to learn to talk better and I can come out to the side. Use balance if you need to, or use something. Come over to the other side. Leg out. Oh. Notice one side may be different than the other. That's all right. No judgments. Just a smile, opportunity to grow. Out to the side. This is great for building mobility in our hips, strength in our legs, core strength. We're in balance. We need good core stability. Really engage the core. The chair is there if you need it. So lunges. Maybe you're just taking a step forward and back. That's brilliant. As long as we're moving, just find more movement in your day. Hey, what can I do for a minute? You start to, how much tidying up can you get done in a minute? Hey, I can clean off this part of the kitchen in a minute. And what really happens is, since you become such a person of action, you build momentum and you just go for longer and you end up getting the whole job done. One more. Whew. Shake, shake, shake. Spread your legs out nice and wide, nice base. Let's really get a nice stretch in the back. We're just gonna windmill. Just add a nice flow. Swing as far as you can. This is great first thing in the morning. Warm up the back. Get some nice mobility. The upper arms. Start to adopt the 1 minute rule. Really, you will start to tell yourself, I am a person of action. I take care of my business. And it relieves so much stress and anxiety. Because you're always going to take care of the things you need to. My favorite, simple jumping jack. If jumping's not accessible to you, you come back to the step jack. Always modify. When I'm feeling low, need to pick me up, this is my go-to. It's like, I can do jumping jacks for a minute. Let's see if that doesn't propel me to take action. 9 times out of 10, it absolutely does. Understand, feeling down and low, oh, do I ever. By adapting this 1 minute rule, I can't get off the couch and just, okay, I can do jumping jacks for 1 minute. Let's see what happens there. I can do anything for a minute. All of a sudden, oh yeah, the blood's flowing, the heart's pumping. I can go take care of my business now. Eliminates this decision fatigue too. Oh, when you adopt this rule, it doesn't help me to speak clearly. Shake it out. Movement's amazing. Ability to be still, present, pay attention to this moment. Even more critical. Just come. Bring all your attention and give intention to how you're going to adopt the 1 minute rule. Just be for a moment. Just notice the beating of your heart. Maybe some sensations tingling through your arms and legs. Just be. Clearly. Just stay with it for a second here. Just stay. Just be. And come back. I don't know if you could hear that. Clearly I didn't mute the timer I'd set. Learn from mistakes, grow, laugh at yourself sometimes. It's okay. Adopt the 1 minute rule going forward. Let me know in the comments what you can get done in a minute. Comment job done. Let me know how it's going. Be proactive today with the 1 minute rule. Start adding it to all aspects of your life and unlock incredible potential. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. God bless you.